Landscaping has the remarkable power to turn even the smallest front yard into a stunning, welcoming space. Your entryway is more than a path to the front door, it's the very first chapter of your home story. With thoughtful landscaping choices, you can add elegance, warmth, and personality that instantly captures attention. Whether it's a graceful garden arch, a charming gate, or a perfectly lit pathway, every detail shapes the atmosphere. Today, let's explore small yard landscaping ideas that combine creativity and function to make unforgettable first impressions. First impressions are everything when it comes to your home. Even a modest front yard, when designed with care, can project charm and sophistication. Think of it as your home's handshake. It tells guests what to expect before they even step inside. By arranging greenery, hardscapes, and lighting strategically, your entryway creates an atmosphere that lingers. A small space designed with intention can feel larger, more inviting, and timeless, proving that size is never a limitation when style and planning come together. Every successful front yard design begins with a thoughtful plan. A clear layout allows you to maximize limited space without clutter. Divide the yard into purposeful zones, a welcoming path, a seating corner, or a vertical garden wall. Consider balanced symmetry often feels formal and classic, while asymmetry creates movement and energy. Mapping your design before planting or building saves time and ensures harmony. Think of it as drawing a blueprint for beauty. Each choice should contribute to flow, comfort, and curb appeal. Focal points are the anchors of your design, the details that naturally draw the eye. In small front yards, less is more. A striking water feature, a sculptural tree, or a decorative bench can serve as a centerpiece without overwhelming the space. The trick lies in choosing one or two bold statements and surrounding them with subtle complements. A carefully chosen focal point not only creates visual interest, but also helps organize the yard, ensuring every element works toward one cohesive story. When horizontal space is limited, look upward. Vertical elements add height, depth, and drama to a front yard. Trellises, pergolas, or living green walls introduce greenery without crowding pathways. Hanging planters or climbing vines soften hard edges and infuse natural texture. These vertical accents make a yard feel lush and layered, giving the illusion of more space. With a creative touch, walls and fences stop being barriers and instead become canvases for beauty, transforming overlooked surfaces into living art pieces. The gate is often the very first detail people notice, making it an essential design statement. Rustic wooden gates offer charm and coziness, while sleek metal designs deliver modern sophistication. The right gate frames your entryway like a picture, giving guests a sense of arrival before they even reach the door. Pairing gates with plants like ivy trailing across wood or roses weaving through iron softens the look, blending nature with structure. A well-chosen gate doesn't just secure your home, it welcomes with style. Few features elevate a front yard quite like a garden arch. Positioned at the entrance, it feels almost like a doorway into a secret retreat. Covered in climbing roses, jasmine, or ivy, arches add romance and charm while guiding the eye upward. They create a sense of anticipation, inviting visitors to step through and discover what lies beyond. Whether built from wrought iron for elegance or natural wood for rustic warmth, arches are timeless symbols of hospitality, turning every arrival into an experience. A pathway isn't just a way to reach the front door, it's an experience. Stone pavers set in gravel, bricks laid in herringbone patterns, or sleek concrete slabs each tell a different story. The shape of the path matters. Two curved lines feel soft and natural, while straight paths feel bold and direct. Bordering the walkway with low plants or solar lights adds charm and safety. A well-planned pathway ensures every step feels intentional, guiding guests while showcasing the beauty of your yard. Lighting has the power to completely transform landscaping after sunset. A softly lit walkway feels warm, safe, and enchanting. Solar-powered stake lights are eco-friendly and practical, while hidden uplights beneath shrubs or trees create drama. String lights woven through arches or along fences add whimsy. The key is subtle to avoid harsh glares and aim for a glow that mimics moonlight. Smartly placed lights highlight your yard's best features, ensuring your front yard shines beautifully both day and night. Plants breathe life into every front yard, but the right selection makes all the difference. Focus on variety mix evergreens for year-round structure, with seasonal blooms for bursts of color. In small yards, scale matters. Oversized shrubs can overwhelm, while compact species add balance. Consider fragrance. Lavender, jasmine, or gardenias welcome guests with subtle scents. Layering is essential. Taller plants in the back, medium in the middle, and ground covers in front create depth and flow. Each plant should contribute to beauty and balance. Color ties a landscape together, making even the simplest yard feel deliberate and polished. Pick a palette that reflects your home's personality. Whites and greens for elegance, pastels for romance, or bold reds and yellows for energy. Repeating colors across flowers, pots, and accessories unifies the design. Themes can also guide decisions: cottage charm, modern minimalism, or Mediterranean warmth. A consistent theme keeps your space from feeling cluttered, ensuring every plant, stone, and detail contributes to one harmonious vision. Landscaping, when done thoughtfully, has the power to transform even the smallest front yard into a welcoming masterpiece. From stylish gates to glowing pathways, from carefully chosen plants to elegant arches, each detail tells part of your home's story. Small yards don't need compromise, they need creativity. With planning, balance, and attention to focal points, your front yard becomes more than a passage. It becomes an experience. Let landscaping guide your design journey, creating a home that feels inviting, polished, and unforgettable from the very first step.